السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. إن شاء الله هنشتغل مع بعض أساسيات شغل جونيور 3 في الماس، علشان ولي الأمر يبقى متابع مع أولاده نفس الطريقة اللي احنا بنشتغلها في المدرسة. نبدأ بإذن الله. 7 when we say multiply. If I say 7 times 3, how we find the result? How we find the product of this problem? We must skipping 7 3 times, right? 7 adding 7 plus 7 equal 14, then skip 14 by plus 7 equal 21. We skipping what? 1 2 3 times the product equal what? 21. Then 7 times 3 equal 21. When we find the product to multiplication, we must using the skipping way. Skipping to find the product. Okay? After, how we solve this problem? 24 divided by 6 equal what? By the same way, 24 divided 6. What's the relation between division and multiplication? We say, if I say 6 times what? 6 times what? Equal 24. There are relation between division and multiplication. 24 divided 6 equal 6 times what to arrive 24? Skipping 6 to arrive 24. 6, 12, 18, 24. Count how many repeated, how many skipping. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write 4 in dots and 4 in the quotient. Another problem. 3 times what? Equal 18. 3 times what equal 18? How many skipping 3 to arrive 18? How many skipping? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Count how many repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we repeated 3 6 times to arrive 18. We skipping 3 6 times to arrive 18. How we make distributive? 8 times 12 equal what? 8 times 12 is big number. How we find the quotient, the product? By easy way. We say distributive 12 to 2 times by what? 8 times 12 consisted of 10 plus 2. By easy way to find the result, we write 10 plus 2. If we say 13, 10 plus 3. If we find 14, 10 plus 4. Then if I find 8 times 12, we say 8 times, right, 12 equal 10 plus 2. Distribute 8 among the two numbers. 8 times 10 plus 8 times 2. 8 times 10 equal what? Repeated 8 10 times. Or we say we find any number times 10, put 0 in right and write the same number beside it. When we multiply any number by 10, put 0 in right and say 1 times 8 equal 8, or any number times 10 equal 0 in right and write the same number beside it. 8 times 2 equal what? Repeated 8 2 times. 8 plus 8 equal 16. Then 8 times 2 equals 16. Or say skipping. We can say plus or skipping. The two ways are right. 8 plus 8 equal 16. Find the result. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 8 plus 1 equal 9. Then 8 times 12 equal 96. by what? By distributive the multiplication over addition. We say another problem. 3 times 50 equal what? Write 3 times 15 equal 10 and 5. Then write 10 plus 5. How we distribute multiplication over addition? We say 3 times 10 plus 3 times 5. 3 times 10 equal, we say any number multiply by 10, put 0 in right. 1 times 3 equals 3, or write the same number beside 0. Plus 3 times 5, when we repeated 3 5 times, we find 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 times 5 equal 50. Find the sum. 0 plus 5 equal 5. 3 plus 1 equal 4. This is distributive multiplication over addition. After this, how we find the perimeter of square? If I find square and write the side length equal 7 centimeter, calculate the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square, we must write the rule. How we write the perimeter of a square? Perimeter equal side length times 4. Side length times 4. Why we say side length times 4? Because the square has 4 equal side. 4 equal side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. We repeated 7 4 times. Then write 1 time times 4. Side length times 4. We must write the rule in the problem. Because we have marks around to this rule. We must write side times 4. Equal, side equal what? 7. 7 times 4 equal repeated 7. We must write the skipping, not write 7 times 4 equal 28. No, we must say we repeated 7 4 times. 7 skipping 7, 14, 21, 28. We repeated 7 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write what's the result? 28 centimeter. Miss, I write 7 times 4 only without the rule. If we don't write the rule, we say this is wrong. زي ما عملنا في الترم الأول وقلنا ما كتبناش لانس تايمز ويدز ورو تايمز كولوم، وزعلنا ان احنا درجاتنا كانت مش الفول مارك، يعني جبنا 28 مثلا. فلازم نكتب الرول علشان خاطري انا. اسمعوا الكلام. يبقى سايد تايمز 4 لازم تتكتب. ده ايه؟ ده السكوير. تعالى هنا the rectangle. How we find the perimeter of rectangle? The rectangle has what? 2 long side and 2 short side. 2 long side and 2 short side. The long side is length and short side is width. If I say the length equal 6 centimeter and width equal 2 centimeter, how we find the perimeter of this rectangle? Perimeter equal, what's the rule? Length plus width plus length plus width. We must write this. Yes, we must write the rule to find the perimeter. We must write the rule. Length plus width plus length plus width equal what? Where is the length? 6 plus width equal what? Equal 2 plus, can we say 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6? لا، أنا عايزة 6 in length يبقى 6. width 2. length 6 width 2. length plus 2, length equal 6, width equal 2, 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 equal 8 plus 6 plus 2 equal 8. 8 plus 8 equal by double strategy equal 16 centimeter. Okay, can we find the missing side from square? If I find this is square and say if perimeter of a square equal 24 centimeter. If the perimeter of a square equal 24 centimeter, find the side. Side equal what? The side equal perimeter divided 4. Perimeter divided 4. Because what? Because when we find perimeter of a square, we say side length times 4. If we get the perimeter of a square and say where is the side, find the side length of a square, we must write side length of a square equal perimeter divided 4. What's the perimeter of this square? 24. Then write 24 divided 4 equal what? أنا عارفها ميس. 24 divided 4 equal 6. مش هتاخد درجتك. We must write skipping 4 to arrive 24. 4 16 20 24 no sorry 4 8 12 16 20 24. Count how many repeated? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then 24 divided 4 equal 6. 6 what? Centimeter. To find the missing number or find the side missing side in a square from perimeter, we must make perimeter divided 4. Perimeter divided 4. Then say repeated 4 how many times to arrive 24? We find skipping 4 to arrive 24 equal 6. 6 step. طيب how we find missing length in the rectangle? If this rectangle has length 10 centimeter and perimeter equal 28 centimeter. How we get the width? This is length and this is width missing in this drawing. How we find the width from perimeter of rectangle? We say what's the equation of perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter equal length plus width plus length plus width equal, where is the length? 10 plus width plus 10 plus the missing width. 10 plus 10 equal 20. Then 20 plus width plus width. What is this? 20 plus width equal what? Equal, we say perimeter equal 28. Width plus 20 equal 28. Then this is missing a number in addition. 20 plus what? Equal 28. 20 plus what? Equal 28. Or find width plus width equal 28 minus 20, the perimeter minus the sum of lengths. The perimeter minus the sum of lengths. 28 minus 20 equal what? 8 minus 0 equal 8. 2 minus 2 equal 0. Then equal 8 centimeter. If we find width plus width equal 8 centimeter, this is the two widths. Okay? How we find one width? One width equal 8, the sum of two widths divided 2. 8 divided 2, we repeated 2 how many times to arrive 8? Skipping 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. How many skipping? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 divided 2 equal 4 centimeter. Then, what the width equal? Width equal 4 centimeter. Again, how we find the width from perimeter of rectangle or the length؟ نفس الطريقة. بيقول لك هنا perimeter equal what؟ length plus width plus length plus width. ما كتبتهاش يا ميس، مش هاخد درجة. يبقى length plus width plus length plus width equal what؟ length equal 10. 10 plus width plus 10 plus width. 10 plus 10 equal 20. 20 plus width equal 28. What the number? Plus 20 equal 28. We get it by subtract the perimeter of rectangle minus the sum of lengths equal 8. The two widths equal 8. Then one width equal 8 divided 2 equal 4. Okay. طيب. Now we say how we find this problem. If I write 5 times 2 times dots equal 10. How we find this? 5 times 2 equal what? Equal 10. 10 times what? Equal 10. What's the number? When we multiply it by any number equals the same number. 10 times what? Equals the same number. Equal 10. 10 times 1 equal 10. Then 5 times 2 times 1 equal 10. Because any number times 1 equals the same number. If I say 16 times 8 times the dots equal 0. How you find the product from for this number? 16 times 8 times dots equal 0 means any number times 0 equals 0. Then when we multiply 16 times 8 times what? Equals 0. Times 0. Get the product? No, not get anything. Write 0 only, because 0 times any number equals 0. Then 16 times 8 times 0 equal 0. Understand? After, when we say find the estimation to this problem, 2 times 3 times 5. Find the estimation to this. To find the estimation to this problem, we must find this problem formed from 2 digits only. Then 2 times 5 times 3 equal 6. Skipping 2 3 times. 2, 4, 6. Skipping 2 3 times equal 6. Then 6 times 5 and 6 times 5. This is what? Estimate and this actual. How we find the estimate and actual? We say to find the estimation to 6 times 5, we must find the after and before the repeated. After and before repeated. After 5, 6. Before 5, 4. Then say what's the actual in the first? 6 times 5. We repeated or skipping 6 5 times. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 6 times 5 repeated. 6 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the product equal 30. But the estimation 6 times 5, we find after 5 what? 6. 6 times 6 equal, skipping 6 times. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. The product equal what? 36. 36 is smaller than or bigger than 30. smaller or bigger than actual. يبقى 36 is bigger than 30. طيب find the result. Find the product of 6 times 4. repeated 6 4 times. 6 12 18 24 equal 24. 24 smaller or bigger 30. 24 is smaller than 30. Then the estimation of 6 times 5 between what and what? Between 36 and 24. The estimation of 6 times 5 between 36 and 24. اتمنى تكون الحاجة دي هتفيدنا ان شاء الله مع اولادنا واحنا بنتابعهم، علشان نعرف نفس الاسلوب اللي احنا بنقوله في الكلاس يكون ماشي معانا وانتوا بتذاكروا لهم، وده كله في مصلحة الولاد. واهم حاجة باكد عليها لازم نكون كاتبين الرولز كلها واحنا بنجيب اي بروبلم. السكيبنج مهم جدا ان هو يكتبه، ما يجيبش الريزلت على طول. البريمتر اوف سكوير اند ريكتانجل وي ماست رايت ذا رول، واحنا جربنا الكلام ده في الترم الاول لما ما كتبوش الرول واستفادوا منه. وانا كلمتهم وقلت لهم ان انا ما يهمنيش الدرجات اللي ضاعت منهم قد ما يهمني ان هم اتعلموا حاجه، ان هم يكتبوا كل حاجه اتعلموها ودرسوها ويستفادوا منها وهم بيحلوا، ما يحلوش بطريقه مختصره لان ده بيضيع منهم درجات. السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته.